having had the rain out, so I think we'll probably make an attempt as we go throughout the season. Get a race or two in for the classes that missed super late models. My gosh, they seem to be the bringer of the level. Pace van has made its exit. William Potts pacing the field to the start line. Green flag is out. We're underway. We see cars making a run around out there. William Potts taking the field down into turns 1 and 2. We're on 3 and 4. So as they come out of 4 and across the line, William Potts second. Derek Presley trying to make some noise on outside. The birthday boy, William Potts, leading at the halfway point of his treasure. Field now is going to get single file as they come to get the white flag. In charge from the drop of the green. But here comes Presley on the inside of Potts as it gets to the line. William Potts holds on for the win. Brendan Presley coming home second. So Zachary Boyott not able to make it out for the heat race. It will be, they're working right now in an attempt to make it out for the main event. And green flag is out. We're underway. Turn number 3. Brendan right down on top of the rumble strips as they come out of 4 side by side. Presley with a solid out front, but here comes the 0-0 and Sean Jones. Inside right now, right on that rear bumper cover as they come across the and now Jones with a bunch of momentum on the outside as they come off of turn number 4. The field is gone single file. 5 laps complete. As the laps are rounded down. Jones will see the white flag as he comes off turn number 4. Winner of Cut Rate Auto Parts David Graham's heat race, Sean Jones, followed by Brendan Presley, and then William Potts rounding out the top 3. 2 heat races coming up now for the Apica Dwarfs. And we'll